Hola mi gente, my name is Carlos Ruiz, also known as Cocktails by Sea, and today I have a special treat for you because sometimes, you know, I could be procrastinator. I don't necessarily prep for some of the, you know, if a party's coming over to the house, I sometimes don't prep. But today I have something really cool. It is one of those products that I actually enjoy because you have tequila, which as you know, it's one of my favorite things, fresh lime juice in this thing. You have cinnamon, clove, and orange liqueur. So you have a delicious spicy margarita. Also, I forgot to mention, there's chili in there, chili. So you get that spice, delicious. Now, the cool thing about this is that all you need is 3 ingredients. Your glass, you need some ice, and you need party can. This thing is just ridiculous. It's so easy. It's freaking huge. It serves 12 people. 12 people. I mean, the party's gonna get started, man. This is just fantastic. All you gotta do is pour right on top. Look at that. And you could choose how much you want. But there you have it. Party can. Let's get the party started. Cheers.